Okay, so we have a cube, some kind of tube, and a sphere. And first of all, I'm going to put some kind of material on them, and you will see they have just when you put the material on them, some kind of mapping. Okay, I'm just making sure that you will see the material on them. Okay, so I put it on them, and they start with some kind of mapping, but we are going to manipulate it. And in order to manipulate it, we need to put some UV mapping on them. So I will choose the box and go to Properties, UV Mapping, and I will put a box, apply box UV mapping, and I will choose the default settings, but you, of course, you can just press enter. Okay, and we see the dialog on the right, and what it applies. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is to press the equalize button. The reason I'm doing it is to have the same mapping all on every face of the box. And now I'm going to just maybe change the scale. So I lock the scale and then it changes uniformly. And I'm changing the tiling and not the scale of the UV map. Another video will explain what this means. And I can change the tiling with locked on or off, and then it will change them individually and all the axes. And I can also do some changes to direction, to position, and to rotation. Okay, and I will give you more information in a different video. Okay, now we'll move to the tube and apply a cylindrical map to it. And of course, choose the default options, or just press enter and let them be chosen. And now I won't touch the size on the tube. I prefer in Rhino not to touch the size, because sometimes there is some kind of bags with it, and I don't know, maybe when it will be solved you can also change the size. It depends on you. But what I'm going to do now is just with the UVW repeat, I will change the proportion of the mapping and then lock it, and then I can control the size of the mapping. Now I will choose the sphere, apply a spherical mapping. Again, press enter for just the default settings, and here I will do the simplest thing, and that's just to lock the UV repeat, because it's quite simple. You could just scale it up, scale it down, and you don't have a lot of things you need to do in sphere. You can change the position, but spherical mapping is quite simple, especially for spheres, of course. And okay, this is basically how you apply the mapping, and that's it. Goodbye.